Hi, welcome to this episode of The Daily. My name is Brendan Malone. Well, last week the US Supreme Court struck down a whole lot of legislation in the state of Texas around abortion and abortion clinics. The legislation that they struck down were pieces of legislation that required abortion clinics to provide basic standards of healthcare and patient safety to the female clients who go in there to have abortion procedures carried out. Yep, that's all this was about. So, for example, legislation that required abortion clinics to have hallways that were wide enough so that emergency gurneys could travel down them. If something went wrong during an abortion, you obviously need an ambulance to turn up, be able to get the patient, begin treatment, and then get them to hospital very quickly. So you need wide enough hallways for that. Now, these requirements don't just apply to abortion clinics, they apply to any place that carries out surgical procedures. And as we should all rightly expect them to. This is about basic patient safety, care, and best practice standards. But no, the Supreme Court has struck this down, and what's even more obscene about this is they have claimed that this is somehow an act of empowerment or advocacy for women. So they have now put women in Texas in a more vulnerable position when they go into abortion clinics because abortion clinics are no longer required to meet those basic standards of care and patient protection. What this shows once and for all is that abortion advocacy has never really been about women's health. It's only ever really been about abortion. They're not really interested in women's health as their primary issue. Their primary issue is advocating for and trying to protect the act of abortion itself, regardless of what cost that might actually take or what toll that might take on women. Women are the collateral damage, if necessary, in their fight for abortion. That's what this has always been about. Women's health was the gimmick, the smokescreen, the cliched slogan that you would throw around when you wanted to distract attention away from what was really going on, which was advocacy for the act of abortion. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow on The Daily.